I aspire to be as strong-minded, and the guy has lived an amazing life, and he's still always stick with me because I spent a lot of time with him more recently, and you know when you're that, it's so full of life, right? And when you spend time with him, you just know this guy just is just burning a fire of life. You know, he's got a great sense of humor, a smart mind, and you know I hope and aspire to be anywhere half of what he was as a man.